Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the world of dropshipping and uncover its hidden problems. So, if you're considering starting a dropshipping business, you definitely don't want to miss this. Dropshipping may seem like a dream come true. No need to worry about inventory or shipping. Sounds fantastic, right? But behind the scenes, there are several issues that often go unnoticed. One major problem with dropshipping is product quality control. As a dropshipper, you have no control over the products you sell, leaving you vulnerable to low-quality items or even scams. And your customers? They may end up with subpar products, damaging your brand's reputation. Next, let's talk about shipping delays. Since you're relying on third-party suppliers, shipping times can be unpredictable. Your customers might become frustrated waiting weeks or even months for their orders, resulting in negative reviews and lost business opportunities. Another drawback is the lack of competitive pricing. In the dropshipping model, you're not the only one selling those products. With so many middlemen involved, it's challenging to offer competitive prices and stand out from the crowd. One last issue is customer service. When problems arise, it's your responsibility to address them. However, as a dropshipper, you often have limited control over the entire process. This can make it difficult to offer efficient customer support, leaving your buyers dissatisfied. So, the next time you think about diving into the dropshipping world, make sure to consider these hidden problems. It's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before starting your own business. And there you have it, the dark side of dropshipping revealed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you want to stay updated with more informative content, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.